Dr. Shiella Tikku speaking about bioinorganic chemistry for class 3rd year. Biochemistry is not merely an collaboration of organic chemistry. The chemistry involves essential and dispersible chemical chelates including metals. The metals which are included are copper, zinc, manganese, molybdenum, and cobalt, which are also in our necessary life. Essential elements. The essential elements are those in the sense of which growth is inhibited. Nature always acts elements of small atomic number. These small atomic number elements are toxic, such as molybdenum. Then we have iodine, etc. These elements have very small atomic number and a very small existence in the body. These elements are manganese, nickel, iron, chromium, cobalt, molybdenum, copper, boron, zinc, and aluminum. Oxygen, silicon, aluminum, and iron are the foremost abundant elements, making about 88% of the earth crust. On the contrary, the four elements hydrogen, carbon, nitrogen, and oxygen are 99% of the living system. Majority of the chemicals involved in such type of system or compounds are frequently found in sulfur, calcium and phosphorus. Trace elements are the elements which are essential for the body and they are found in very less amount, such as vanadium, chromium, molybdenum, iron, nickel, copper, zinc, and manganese. These are the trace elements which are present in a very less quantity, and these less quantities are very rich in electron transfer. Iodine essential for the proper functioning of thyroid gland. Fluoride is essential for the replacement of OH minus. Water is essential for the whole body. The compound of selenium is also very important with water. Boron is essential in green algae and plants. Probability it's an essential element for the development in chicks and rats. Probability silicon is essential in higher plants and used in silicon oxide. Now, trace elements are very essential in red algae, chicks, rat, pig, goat, and probability human. Metalloporphyrins. And the most important metal compounds are named as metalloporphyrins, in which the macrocyclic ligand called porphyrin is attached with the metal. In such of compounds are found in the form of hemoglobin, chlorophyll, myoglobin, and such type of compounds in which protein and hemoglobin intake is very much. Hemoglobin and myoglobin are the main essential parts of the blood. They are found in the blood and they are the essential part of the blood. The active state of hemoglobin and myoglobin contain the heme group, in which iron 2 is exceptionally coordinated with 4 pyrrole nitrogen atoms or porphyrin ring. The full position is coordinated by the ambidentate nitrogen atom of histidine of the protein chain. The sixth protein is vacant but hypothetically shielded both the atoms. As a result, only molecular central molecules such as oxygen carbon dioxide can bond on the positions. These positions are not essential for hemoglobin and myoglobin. These positions are not essential for hemoglobin and myoglobin. The next point is the presence of structure of about exhaustic and unexhaustic positions. Exhaustic and unexhausted positions of exhaustic and unexhausted positions of different types of substances. Then we come on to the sixth, manganese with hemoglobin, myoglobin potassium, myoglobin oxygen, and myoglobin peroxide substances. These myoglobin peroxide substances have the different structures of myopene. Then we have the diagram of the oxygen binding curve for myoglobin and hemoglobin, saving about the pH dependence. The lower the pH, thus causing the hemoglobin to release even more monooxygen to the myoglobin.